Hello, welcome back to Days. We are back with a spicy and tasty fish pickle recipe today. For that I have here 500 grams of fish. I have took tuna fish which is cleaned and washed properly. You may use any fish of your choice. Into this add half tablespoon turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. Also add half tablespoon salt. Give it all a mix and marinate for at least 20 minutes. Into a pot add 3 tablespoon oil and heat it on medium flame. It's better to use mustard oil or sesame oil. Into the hot oil, place fish pieces one by one. Fry it nicely and then flip it over and fry the other side also. This is another important step. We have to fry the fish pieces till there is no moisture left. Now remove the fish pieces from the oil. Into the pan add 3 more tablespoons of oil. Since we are preparing pickle, we need to add a lot of oil here. Once the oil is hot enough, add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Let it splutter. Now add about 5 dried red chili. Then add half cup chopped garlic and a quarter cup of ginger. Also add about 3 green chilies. Fry all this till there is no moisture left. Again, this is another important step. We have to fry this really well, otherwise our pickle will get spoiled quickly. And make sure you are doing this on medium flame. Once it's fried nicely, add in half teaspoon turmeric powder and about 3 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. If you are using normal chili powder, add about 2 tablespoons to it. Now add half teaspoon asafoetida also. Now it's time to give this a fry. Roast all this for at least 2-3 minutes. Into this add 5 tablespoon vinegar and bring it to boil. Let the vinegar boil for at least 3 minutes. Then add in the fried fish pieces. Combine everything really well. After adding fish pieces, we have to cook everything for at least 5 minutes. So that's all to prepare tasty and spicy fish pickle. And there are a few important points to note. Point number 1 is that when frying the fish, we have to make sure the fish is fried till there is no moisture left. Similarly, while frying garlic and ginger, also fry it nicely until there is no moisture left. And another thing is, while using this spatula, make sure there is no water content on it. After 5 minutes, you may turn off the flame and our pickle is ready. Allow it to cool and after that transfer it to a glass jar. Fish pickle tastes best from day 2 onwards only. You may keep it in room temperature for 2 days and after that transfer it to refrigerator and then you can store it for 2 months. That's all. If you are watching our channel for the first time, subscribe and thank you for watching.